Hi, so very excited today. We're gonna cook some real American comfort food, so stay tuned. American one-pot beef and macaroni goulash with cheese. It's an easy recipe for the adults and the children to enjoy alike. Just, reduce the heat if you've got little ones eating, but otherwise just enjoy. Let's get started. Step 1, prep. Finely chop the green and red peppers. Peel and finely chop the onion and peel and crush the garlic. Step 2. Fry. Heat a very large pan or soup pot over a medium-low heat with a drizzle of olive oil. Once hot, add the onion and peppers with a pinch of salt and fry for 7 minutes until softened. Add the garlic, smoked paprika and paprika powder and fry for 1 more minute. Step 3. Add mince. Once softened, increase the heat to medium. Add the beef and fry for 5 minutes or until browned. Step 4. Make the sauce. Once browned, add the tomato passata, measured water, beef stock cube, tomato paste, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, red vinegar, bay leaves and dried oregano, and simmer for 10 minutes. Step 5. Simmer. After 10 minutes, add the macaroni to the pan and simmer covered for 10 to 12 minutes further or until the macaroni is tender. Step 6. Grate cheese and serve. Meanwhile, grate the cheddar cheese. Once the macaroni is tender, check the seasoning and adjust if necessary. Stir in the butter and serve with a generous helping of grated cheese over the top. Enjoy! Okay, so that's all there is to this recipe. So easy, bit of prep at the beginning and then every time you walk past your pot you give it a little stir and miracles happen. Look at this, amazing comfort food. Little ones, big ones alike will really enjoy this and I can't wait to dig into it. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and for now I'm just gonna eat. Bye.